First step is optional. I'm going to paint these flowers, but if you already have flowers, the color you want to use, you can skip this step. I'm going to paint them first so that they're dry by the time I need to glue them onto the canvas. You can also use different flowers. You can use flower from fabric or felt or whichever you have available. I'm using the regular craft acrylic paint. I find it best when painting these flowers because it's a light paint and it won't weigh down the petals. To make the horn, I'm going to use the cardboard backing of a notebook. I'm going to freehand one. I'm going to center it on the canvas and make sure it's the right size. But you can use regular cardboard. You can use like a cereal box, something thin but sturdy so it won't fall over. If you don't want to freehand it, you can always go to the internet and search for unicorn horn and ear templates. I'm going to cut this ear out and then I'm going to use it as a template to make the other ear so that they're exactly the same. Now I'm going to use the glitter adhesive sheets from Dollar Tree to cover the ear and horns. You can cut this with scissors, but I found it best and it cuts a lot smoother with an X-Acto blade or if you have a utility knife. This part is optional. I wanted the horn to have more of a 3D effect instead of just being flat. I'm going to use a piece of twine. You can use any kind of string you have. Start from the top and work your way down in like sort of like a spiral, and then use a pencil to mark where the lines are. To get that 3D effect, I'm going to use hot glue. Start about 1/2 inch off of the horn and then drag the glue straight across where your pencil mark is. Wait till the glue is dried completely before trying to pull off any glue strings. And if you mess up on any of the lines, it's fine. Just wait till it's dry and they come off real easily without disrupting the glitter sheet. For the ears, I'm going to use the same steps as I did for covering the horn. Once my ears are covered, I'm going to use the tip of one of the ears as sort of a stencil to cut the pink glitter for the inside of the ear. Trace and cut out 2 for both of your ears. Once you got them both cut out, center them and stick them onto the ear. If you make any mistakes or you don't like the way it looks, you can easily pull the pink from the gold without ruining the gold. You can also trim the pink by gently using an X-Acto or utility blade without ruining the gold or cutting the gold underneath. To finish the horn, once the glue has completely dried, I'm going to paint the glue lines. If you don't want to use this way, you can also use the glitter glue sticks or you can use ribbon. Now that my horn and ears are done, I'm going to glue them onto my canvas. When gluing on your horn and ears, be sure to hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds to help it stay put while drying. For a little more enforcement, I'm going to use some extra hot glue behind the horn and ears. Now the fun part, to decorate. Figure out your placement where you want to set your flowers. I'm also going to use the plastic jewel flowers I got from Dollar Tree. Figure out your placement where you want everything. You can also use a pencil to help mark where you want them, and then glue everything on. For the eyes, I'm going to use my vinyl cutout. If you don't have a vinyl cutter, there are so many eye templates that you can download and print from the internet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If there are any DIYs that you want to see, leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching The Crafter's Nook.